Welcome to the sky-level life of trillionaires, where the word penthouse takes on a whole new meaning. These are not just homes, they're floating worlds of wealth, suspended above cities and shaped by imagination. Designed with no limits, crafted with the rarest materials, and priced for the absolute elite, each penthouse is a world of its own. Imagine stepping into a glass-walled sanctuary where the floors are heated marble, the ceilings are 30 feet high, and the furniture is custom sculpted from crystal and carbon fiber. The living room transforms at a whisper, walls turn transparent or opaque, floors become interactive light displays, and the entire atmosphere changes to match your mood. This high-tech marvel, valued at over $1 billion. Another penthouse features a private sky garden with a waterfall that flows down 3 levels, surrounded by living bamboo walls and a scent-controlled air system that mimics nature's seasons. There's a floating yoga deck, a koi pond that glows at night, and a fully retractable glass roof that opens to the stars. The price? A serene but powerful $880 million. Then there's the art lover's dream in the sky, where every wall is a digital gallery, shifting from Van Gogh to Warhol with a tap. The penthouse includes a private NFT vault, an underground elevator for supercar